Have you ever wondered what happens when artificial intelligence takes charge? Imagine handing over the reins to AI and watching it create a business from scratch. Intrigued? Let's dive in. In today's video, we explore the exciting world of AI entrepreneurship. We'll break down how AI can conceptualize, develop, and run a business with minimal human input. First, we need to define the goal. We asked AI to build a viable business model. This includes identifying a market, creating a product, and outlining a marketing strategy. I began by using an AI tool that specializes in business creation. The first step was generating a unique idea. The AI scanned current trends and consumer demands, leading to an innovative concept. Next, the AI outlined the target audience. It analyzed demographic data to determine who would benefit from this business. This step ensures our business targets the right customers effectively. Then, the AI moved on to product development. It suggested key features based on user needs and competitive analysis. This process transformed the initial concept into a tangible product idea. After product development, we needed a marketing strategy. The AI proposed methods to reach our audience. This included social media campaigns, SEO tactics, and influencer partnerships. Finally, the AI created a financial plan. It projected costs, revenues, and profits. This ensured the business was not only viable but also profitable. For example, let's say the AI created a sustainable clothing brand. It identified eco-conscious consumers as the target audience. The product line included stylish, recycled materials. The marketing strategy focused on social media influencers in the sustainability space. In summary, we asked AI to build a business, and it effectively created an entire business model. From generating ideas to executing a marketing strategy, AI handled it all. This showcases the potential of AI in entrepreneurship. Imagine what you could achieve with this technology at your fingertips. If you found this video insightful, like and subscribe for more content. Ready to experiment with AI in your own business? Start today.